Your Galaxy home screen is about to feel way more personal. Samsung is finally treating widgets like they actually matter, and One UI 8.5 proves it. Samsung is quietly leveling up the One UI 8.5 experience ahead of its full rollout, and this time, widget lovers are winning big. With the latest Home Up app update, now compatible with One UI 8.5, Samsung is unlocking powerful new widget customization options that users have been asking for. Widgets on Galaxy phones already took a big leap with One UI 7.0 and One UI 8.0, becoming more dynamic, interactive, and useful than ever. They're no longer just decorations, they're smart cards that show key info at a glance and let you get things done with just a tap. Now, One UI 8.5 takes things even further. For the first time, Samsung lets you adjust widget content size globally. If you're part of the One UI 8.5 beta, the updated Home Up app gives you four size options: 90%, 95%, 100%, and 105%. By default, widgets sit at 100%, but if things feel too crowded, you can shrink them down for a cleaner, more minimal look, just like resizing app icons. Remove blur effect. There's also a brand new remove blur effect toggle. Turn it on, and the widget instantly drops the blurred background, keeping only the actual content visible. The result, a sharper, cleaner, and more modern home screen that looks less cluttered and more premium. Both of these settings apply to all widgets at once, making customization simple and consistent. Samsung may later allow per widget controls, which would give users even more freedom to fine-tune their home screens exactly how they want. For now, wider availability of these features is expected in Q2, and if this is just the beginning, One UI 8.5 could easily become one of Samsung's most customizable updates yet. If you love Galaxy tips, One UI updates, and hidden customization features, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.